Hello and welcome to a new video. So my name is Fenna and I'm in my studio here today. I have two newborn sessions and today I'm going to open up a new backdrop. I'm going to test it, review it and let you know what I think about the material, the way it looks in photos. And it's really cool because it came rolled up. So it's not folded, which is already a bonus because then you don't have any wrinkles that you need to iron out and yeah. Okay, so the backdrop is from foxbackdrop.com. It's really well packed. I have about 15 to 20 minutes before my clients get here. If they're early, I get interrupted opening this. So I'm gonna attempt to open it. But they packed it really well. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. And can you see? It's taller than I am. I made a hole. And I don't know if you can see, but there's like something in there. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh yeah, here it came. Okay, in the big roll, there is a smaller roll. And they really pack it super well. Yeah, there we go. And out of the second roll comes the third roll. Now I think this is the actual backdrop. It's rolled up really tiny. The ones I normally get are just like rolled up inside the big roll. So not as tight. This is also still packed in this plastic material. Yeah, they're here. Okay, so 2 newborn sessions later, let's find out what it looks like and what kind of material it is. Okay, so here we go. So this is what the material looks like up close. It feels like a vinyl. It's probably gonna be up and down. Okay, so I think it looks super nice. It's beautiful printed, the colors are really nice. I wanted to go for like a little bit more colors, like a floral design, because I want to take some photos of babies in buckets, like 7, 8, 9 month old chubby baby girls in buckets with like floral heads and flowers around it. I think it's really cute, so I thought a floral backdrop would be fun to have here. I have one other one, but I think it's printed really well. Material is nice. It does roll up still in the bottom, so I placed 2 heavy things on the corners. So that's different from the other backdrops that I use. But yeah, I'm just gonna roll it up on like a bigger tube so that it stays wrinkle free. There are a few wrinkles in there, but I think if I just leave them like this, they will come out. And I think it's really adorable. So now I just want to have a little girl coming in here to test it. So as soon as I test this backdrop, I'm going to continue filming and I'm going to show you behind the scenes during the photo session and the final images. But first, some close-ups of the backdrop. So this is what it looks like now, straight out of the package. I have had an AliExpress backdrop before and it's nothing compared to this. This is a lot thicker. As you can see, like hardly no wrinkles. Like here in the middle, you do see wrinkles like all the way up, because somehow it got like folded a little bit in the middle. So yeah, I don't know if the camera really catches on the wrinkles, but here in the middle you see a few wrinkles all the way going up. But in the photo you hardly notice. So this is from the side. Yeah, pretty much wrinkle free except for a few bumps. So here you see the material up close. So this is the Fox backdrop. The front, it really feels like vinyl. In the back, it almost feels like fabric, like it's softer in the back. This is actually the material from the backdrops that I have been using from studiobackdrops.eu. It's a little bit thicker, it feels. This one feels a little bit thinner, but still both feel really good. Here you see the difference in texture. The print is beautiful. The colors are really beautiful. So yeah, here you see the other side, and it does roll up a little bit still at the edges. So maybe just one more clip. But yeah, let me just show you the print, what it looks like. Well, no, it is a new day. So today I'm going to test the new backdrop. I also have a really cool, like a washing bucket. I got it in the secondhand store, like in the thrift store. And this is it. It's like super cool, like this like dusty green. And it's not like a soup pot. It's actually to do the laundry in. So yeah, it's antique, and I thought it would be really cool to have like the baby in the bucket to pose with like the floral bonnet and some flowers around it, and then test a new backdrop. So I have a 1-year-old girl coming in today, so I've actually set up a cake smash decor, and then I'm gonna offer this second decor as a bonus, and then hopefully I can film a little bit behind the scenes while she is in there, and I can see what it looks like. So yeah, let me show you. Here I have the decor for the cake smash, so I'm running out of space. Yes, beautiful cake. Everything is set up ready. So here you see the head, and here you see the decor. Yeah. Het is zo leuk hè, dit emmer. Ja. Nou, super. Yay! Zo. Klapjes in de handjes. Ja. Blij, blij, blij. Op je mooie bolletje. Okay, so we finished. The girl was so cute. So we took photos in here, and so adorable. So yeah, this is a very heavy bucket. Otherwise, put some like weightlifting weights underneath so they don't tip over. Maybe while you are tying up the floral bonnet, give them like a little toy in their hand so they don't immediately start pulling it off. And yeah, if you want them to lean forward a little bit in the bucket, maybe place like a little toy on the floor, and then when you take the photo, hold it in your hand so they look up but they're still leaning forward. But anyway, so very beautiful. She did awesome, beautiful girl, and she was smashing the cake really well as well. Yeah, that is mooi. Wat zie je er mooi uit?
Ik kan die belangen niet zien.
Oh, dat maakt niet zo uit, hè? Oh, komt ie. Ja. Denk ook, yes, ik heb iets. Waar is hij nou? Ja. Dat is mooi. Kom maar pakken.
Merci.
Komt ie. Ga je pakken. Kom maar pakken. She enjoyed being in the bucket. She was pulling out the flowers from my head. Is there a solution to that? Because whenever I have them like wear like a floral hat, they just rip them apart. But yeah, very nice background. Looks very good on photos, and I can't wait to use it more often. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this little review video of this new backdrop, and check out their website. I do have a discount code as well in the description of the video. It's not a sponsored video. So yeah, it's just an honest review. I really do like it. So yeah, I did put some weights on the corners because otherwise it keeps rolling back up. I don't have that with my other backdrops, but like with this small weight, it's easily fixed. Okay, so today it's a new day. I have a sitter session with the little girl and I'm going to test out the floral backdrop once more. And I do have a discount code for you guys, so check it out in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you have a lovely day, and hopefully I'll see you in the comments and then you see me in my next video. Bye bye.